Good afternoon. So US equity futures are looking to open slightly lower ahead of the Wall Street bell. This is really a continuation from Europe and the European crisis. Of course, Greece and Spain are on the forefront of everybody's minds right now and really weighing on investor sentiment. So we've seen risk aversion across the riskier asset classes. Now, we've also had some fairly poor, mediocre US corporate earnings ahead of the bell, which is also weighing on sentiment a little bit. Looking ahead to the rest of the day, we are expecting the house price index for the month of May. This is scheduled to be released at 3 o'clock London time, 9 o'clock Chicago time. Now, the current consensus is for an increase of 0.4%, so that's the average expected increase, with a high estimate of 1% and a low estimate of coming in flat. Now, should there be an increase, it would be the fourth consecutive monthly increase, with trending upwards, and this really is going to give a good indication of what to expect next week with the S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index. It is also, of course, the first of this week's data regarding house prices and the housing sector in the States. Of course, we are also expecting pending home sales and new home sales later on this week. Other than that, for the rest of the day, we've got the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index coming in. That's also scheduled to be released at 3 o'clock, and of course, weekly API numbers, as well as a US 2-year note auction. And of course, after market, we are also expecting Apple earnings to be released. So that's it for me for today. I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you tomorrow.